Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Tonight, we're journeying deep into the moonlit forests of New Zealand to meet a true living legend. This is the Kakapo, the world's only flightless parrot, and isn't it just magnificent? Look at its soft mossy green feathers, perfectly designed for camouflage on the forest floor. They're also known as owl parrots, and with those large, intelligent eyes, it's easy to see why. This gentle giant is a national treasure, a quirky and incredibly rare bird that waddles through the ancient undergrowth. Seeing one under the soft glow of the moon is a truly magical experience, a quiet reminder of nature's unique wonders. The effort to protect these amazing creatures is a huge undertaking, and every single kakapo is precious. If you found this incredible bird as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing wildlife encounters. Thanks for watching.